So in this video I'm going to be showing us how to create the website. Alright, to do that you head over to your Canva app. This is the Canva app, the one I'm circling right now. So you just click on it and it's going to load up. So to create your website, you just scroll at this upper part here and click on website. Alright, I believe you can see. Click on website, okay, or you can come up here and just search for website. Okay, it's going to give us the same thing. Just search for website. So it's going to pop up several templates that you can use. Okay, several templates that you can use to create your website. A lot of templates. You can see we have 872 templates here, a whole lot of it. Can you see that? So you can just pick any one and work with it. You can just pick any one and work with it. Alright, so let's just pick a template. So let's just pick this template. Okay, just click on one. Alright, it has loaded. This template has how many slides? Okay, this template has 6 slides. Okay, now let me show us what I just did to get back to the number of slides. Now if you want to know the number of slides that it's in each template, you just click on this stuff you see I'm circling at the lower right corner. You click on it and then it will bring out all the templates that you have. Okay, all the slides that you have in a template. Actually, when you finish your work, when you finish working on your website, it's not going to appear like several templates like this. Okay, it's going to appear in a single row, just like a normal website. So let's just create something and work with this. With what we have, you should be able to create your own. Now everything here is editable. You can edit it and put what you want. Okay, so let's say I want to replicate the Viking designs, the website that I made. Okay, so let's just click on this place and click. There's a button down at the lower left corner. Okay, there's a button here. There's something here called replace. I'm circling it right now. You see, you click on that image to replace the image that you have. Now that image that you replace could be your logo, could be anything, maybe the logo for your business, whatever thing that you want to put. Okay, you can just put it there. So I want to replace it with an image that I downloaded some time ago. So let's just replace it with this, and this is editable as well. You can just say write something else. Let's just put. Now if you want to undo, you can come here to the upper left corner. You see something that button that I'm circling rather. That's the undo button. Okay, if you want to undo, you can just click on that. So to just undo, so let's just type Viking designs. That is what I want to create. Okay, Viking designs. Yes, you can change the font if you don't like the font that you have there. Everything there is editable. If you want something bolder, bigger, depending on your taste, you can always change the font. Can you see that? So you can always change the font. So let's move it to this place. Let's just move it. I'm trying to just do something quickly. Okay, now this plus sign you see here, this sign I'm circling here, it means duplicate. So with that sign you can duplicate anything you have in this work page. Alright, so I want to duplicate this and write something else. Let's say the best fashion brand. Oh, let's say quality fashion brand you can trust. Quality fashion brand you can trust. Alright, so we have that. Okay, you can move text and images around as you see me do. So let's click on this, bring it up a bit, and then the one I just wrote, you can just bring it very close to it. Okay, now you can also change the color, the background color. If you want to change the background color, just click on the background. You come here, you see color at the down part here. When I create my website, I usually like at least the first page. I usually like it to be white or gray, something that will make it actually look pleasant. Yes, I like this. Alright, so let's just continue. I want to duplicate this again and write something else. I want to write something else. Okay, it is not something that is very difficult. You can do it. Anybody can do this. Okay, now I want to change the font of what I just wrote. So to change the font, you click on the item. As you can see, I've clicked on home and you come to font. The font is at the lower part there. There's a font I usually like for home. You can search for font. If you know the name of most of the names of this font, you can search for them. Yes, alright. So let me just search for Times New Roman. Yes, this is the font I'm looking for. Times New Roman. Yes, as you can see, font has changed. Alright, and then you can capitalize it, underline, do anything you want with it. To do that, you just come to, you see the B at the lower part here, this one that I'm circling, B. Yes, just click on it and then you see bold, italics, underline, and then you can make it capital or small letter. Alright, so I want this to be capital letter. I want everything to be capital letter. So I just click on it and I want it underlined. I also want home underlined. Alright, can you see that? Yes, I want to change their colors to black and also change this to black. Okay, can you see that? So let's move them. I don't want it to be where it is currently. I want it to be somewhere around this place. So you can just move them and then move them. Alright, just try to be creative around it. It is not something that is so difficult to do. Okay, so something like this, you can delete once you click on it. This what do I call it now? This icon that looks like a basket here, yes, it is used to delete. So I no longer need this item that I've clicked on, so I just delete it. Okay, so we can just delete this. Let me leave this for now. Okay, let's zoom this in a little bit. You can see that everything here is editable. Now if you want to add in elements like shapes, whatever kind of element, you come to the plus sign, the lower part here, the plus sign that you see me circling, so you click on it. Once you click on it, it brings you to this drop down page, and at the lower part you find design, element, text, gallery, upload, draw, project, and apps. Okay, so if you want to bring in elements like shapes, there are different kind of elements on Canva. If you find your way around it, you will see a lot of text. So we have lines, shape, button, graphic, stickers, photos, videos, charts, frames, tables, so many things that you can use. Maybe you are writing a document, you can insert your tables and the rest of it. So I want to use this shape. I think I used it recently. Alright, once you get the shape you want to, you just click on it. Okay, we can change the color. I want it to have a black color, so you click on it and you come down to color here, you pick black. Alright, you pick black, and so I just want to create a design around it, around this area. This is just a creative work. I don't have any websites to create in mind, but just to teach us. Okay, this is how it is done. This is how it is done. And you want to put something like, I want to write something, say, let's say about us, because you know this is a website. You are telling people about your brand. Okay, you are telling people about your brand, so there has to be a place that they can click and it will show what all that your brand is about. So let's just move it. I want it to be here. Okay, and I want, let's just put it here, and I want to change the color to white. Alright, you have it there. Okay, now if you feel that your letters are too joined together or they are too tightly packed, you can always adjust them. For instance, I want to adjust this vacuum design. You go to the lower part here and you click on line spacing. You click on spacing, rather, that's what I'm circling at the moment. Just click on spacing. Once you click on it, to come up, we have letter spacing, line spacing. Now you click on letter spacing, you see it will space the letters, but when you click on line spacing, it will space the lines. Alright, to give it a little bit of space, just like what you have here. To give it a little bit of space, you can reduce the space, increase the space. Okay, I think this is okay for me. This is okay for me. Sorry, this is okay for me. Alright, once you walk around it, you will get to know a lot of things. I want to bold this about us. You just click on it. As I said earlier, you click on this B here. Okay, it's bolded already, and you let it be. We can also increase the sizes of the font. Okay, so you can increase the size of the font. Okay, so that is what we have right now. That is what we have right now. It's looking beautiful already. Now if you want to if you want to move your text around or your items around, you know, working with a phone is different from working with a laptop. You don't have a mouse, so you just come down to nudge. If you are finding it difficult to move the items around, you just come to nudge here at the lower part believe you can all see this is nudge, the one I'm circling. Yes, you come to nudge, you click on it, and you can move your item in the 4 directions. As you can see, I want to move this upward a bit and to the right side. Exactly, so that is how to do that. So we move to the next I think I'm through with this. I like what I have here. We just move to the next slide. All right, I want to make the background color for the next slide black. All right, but I still want this image to show, this text to show, so I just click on, I just make it white for now, and then click on the background, click on color, and then you make the color black. I want to make the background black, so I want to put this and just say about us, no, our services. Let's just edit this and then put our services. Remember that what you are designing is something that will carry enough information about your brand. You want everybody to know what you are up to, what you are doing. Okay, so you should be able to give every information that you will be needing. Okay, so you just type, what do you do? Okay, what do your brand do? That is the major thing that you should have here. Okay, what do your brand do? Okay, let's just say for this now, I just want to have let me do this. I want to say, let's say bespoke tailoring. Bespoke tailoring. Here, let's say ready to wear. Why is it ready to wear? Ready to wear. And here, let's say kids wear. Kids wear. If that's all what you do, that is just enough. Okay, that is just enough. I want to delete this green letters. I don't want that. Okay, you can ungroup and then you delete the one that is highlighted. That's the one that you delete. All right, and then you delete. Now you can make these ones bigger. Now if you want to make bigger, I said it the other time, you just come down to the lower part here, click on font size. You can increase or reduce the size. Okay, as you can see. So let me just increase the size. Ready to, yeah, let's increase the size. No, this is too much. Okay, then kids way, let's also increase the size and move to the center. Okay, I think this is just a rough work. Okay, if you are doing yours, endeavor to do something nicer. All right, you can come up with something much more beautiful. Okay, so you may want to include pictures. Let's say I want to include pictures of items that I've done. Okay, you want to include a picture in your website. You can come to see the plus sign here at the lower part. Just click on it, and then you come to, if the picture is in your gallery, you come to your gallery. The gallery is at the lower part here. Just click on gallery. Okay, and it will take you to your gallery. You see all the pictures in your gallery. Then you can just click on the one you want. I used the picture recently. Okay, so let me click on this, add to page. Then you click add to page. Okay, let me show us what I did again in case you did not see that. Alright, you come here, you click the plus sign at the lower part here. You click the plus sign. Once you do that, it takes you to your, you click gallery. Okay, this is the gallery here, And then once you find the picture that you want, you just click on it. And you click add to page. I believe you can see add to page here. This is add to page. The one that I'm circling at the lower part, yes, that is add to page. Okay, so you click add to page, and then it adds that picture you just clicked to your page. Okay, I want to have the picture around here so that this place will not be blank. So alright, so let's move to the next slide. I want the background of the next slide to be white or gray. Let's make it gray. Everything has been gray. Okay, so in this place you can decide to add pictures of all your work, or just tell them what you do. Basically just add information about your brand. Okay, if you don't want pictures, you can just click on them and delete frame. Click on it, you can delete, click on them and delete. You don't have to follow exactly what they have in this place. Okay, we can just say something about your brand. Let's say we deliver beautiful and quality wares to our clients, and that is why they always return. Okay, now I think this is just fine. Okay, you can increase the size if you want. Now if you are making a website, I do not advise that you use more than maximum of 3 to 4 colors. You don't want it looking like a cartoon. Okay, so just maximum of 4 colors is even too much. 3 colors is okay, so that everything can look matured. Alright, everything can look matured. I also want to add another picture here. Okay, if you are making, it doesn't matter what your brand is, you can just add pictures of what you make, so that people can see. Anyone that comes to your website can see it. So there's already a picture here, so I just click on replace. Now it takes me back to my gallery, and then I can click on any picture that I want. Alright, I can click on any picture that I want. So let me just click on this picture and I click add to page. We did that the last time rather. So here I can decide to increase the picture just to make it fit. Okay, just to make it fit. No, I don't like this because it's following the pattern of what was there before. Let me delete it. Delete frame and just add the picture directly. It's not giving me what I want. I just add the picture directly. Let's just add it directly. Add to page. Alright. Yes, so this is better. I believe we can all see what I'm doing. Okay, so now let's move to the next slide. I want the next slide to be white. Yes, let's use the gray color that we've been using before. I want it to be gray. Okay, so you will want to give them links to your social media platforms or any platform where you advertise your work majorly. Okay, you can just see you can visit us on Facebook to see our stunning designs. Okay, so when you do that, you have to do call to action, and call to action means something that they should do. Okay, something that they should do. I think I want to use this frame that is here. Okay, I want to use this frame that is here. So let's just delete this. I'll be needing just one of it. On group. So I want to use the green part here that I saw. Yes, this green. Here, just edit it and type. You are talking about them visiting your page. So just edit it and type visit page now. Visit page now. So that will tell them that if they want to visit your page or see your work on Facebook, that is where they should type and they should click rather. So visit page now. Alright, so I want to increase this. Let's just go down, increase the font size. Visit page now. Okay, now I want to make this black color. Let's click on color here and let's make it black. Okay, let's bring it down here, up here. We can I don't need the rest of the items here, so I'll just delete them. Okay, visit page now. You know what, let's just put it in the next slide. Okay, let's make it another slide. Now you can add more slides to your pages. Okay, to do so, you just come here to this part that I'm circling at the lower part here. You come there, you click on it. Once you click on it, you go to your current page. As you can see, we are in page 4 of the current page, and then you click on add. Add is at the lower part here. At the lower part, I believe you can see the one I'm circling it here. That's add. Okay, once you click on add, it adds another page just after the page that you are working from. Okay, now but if you want to go back to your page, you double click on your page. You can also duplicate. Once you click on this, for instance, you want to duplicate page. Once you click duplicate, it duplicates. If you want to delete, once you click delete, it deletes. If you want to hide, select, write, and a whole lot of things. So let's just go back to our work page. You double click on page 4. Now I want to bring this to the next slide. So you just click on it, you copy. Okay, you can copy and paste on Canva. You move to the next slide, you long press, and then you paste. Okay, I also want to move this item. You click on it, you copy, go back, you move to the next slide, long press, and you paste. Okay, long press and paste. Now let's just finish with this. Okay, now I want this to be on a whole page. I want it to be on a whole page, and I also want to change the font. I don't like the font that is there. I don't want all of them to carry the same font. So you come to font here, and then you change the font. Let's just pick something else. Let's try this font. Okay, I like this font. Okay, you can visit us. You can visit us on Facebook to see our stunning designs and view our credibility over the years. Alright, so let's leave it at this. And so we come to the next page. Now, if you have a situation like this where you are trying to move an item to the back or to the front and it keeps going back, and you see I'm trying to bring this forward but it keeps going back, so what you do is you go to the lower part here and then you click on position. You just click on position. I believe you can see this is position here, the one I'm circling. Yes, that's the position. So once you click on it, it brings out a drop down bar, forward, backward, whatever. So we want to bring that item that is highlighted to front. So once you click it, it brings it to front. Okay, can you see that? We have it in front right now. It brings it to front. Okay, now because our background is gray, I want to change this to black and then make the text white. That will be more beautiful. Let's just see how it will look like. I want to change this to black and then make this white. Yes, this is page now. Yes, and I also want to add exclamations. It gives, sorry, I think I deleted it. Okay, very good. So we have this. Now if you want to preview what you are doing, you come to this eye sign here. Okay, that eye sign shows you how it's going to look like. It shows you how it's going to look like on the phone. And you see I'm circling it here at the upper part. I'm circling it here at the upper part. What's wrong? Sorry. At the upper part, if you see the eye sign, okay, I just clicked on it. Now once you do that, it will show you what your is going to look like. It show you what your website is going to look like on the phone. So can you see? If there's something you need to adjust, you can always adjust it and then you continue. Alright, so this is what we have been doing. Can you see what it looks like? So we can see that this home, this back is not rightly placed, so you can always go back to adjust your work. Okay, but let's just finish up for now. Alright, visit page now. So any other information you want to add, you can add it. You also want to add your address, you can add it. You want to add so many things that you can add. Alright, if you want to put your picture, usually I advise that you put your picture as the owner of your business. You can do that, say, at the last part of your work. Okay, so let's just use this as the last part. I want to delete all that we have here to make it fast. Let me just and I want to give it a black color. Let me just replace it with black color. I will need this text, so I will just make it white and then replace the background with color black. It's going to cover up everything, and that will be quicker. Oh, it didn't cover up, so let's just delete the rest. Delete frame, delete frame, delete frame, delete frame. So you can add your picture. I have a picture. And yes, I want to quickly say something. If you want to add a video to your website, don't just go to your gallery and click on videos. The videos will not play. Okay, if you want to add a video, you come to uploads. Okay, this is upload here, the lower part that I'm currently circling. If you want to add a video, please you come to uploads, and then when you click on upload, you upload an image or a video. If you go to your gallery direct and just click on the video, it will not play when they are trying to view your website. Okay, but you have to upload it first. It may not really matter for pictures, but for videos you have to upload it first before you put it on your page. Okay, so let's say I want to use this picture. Let's just use this picture, and let's just use this picture. I want to remove the background of this picture. I don't want this background to show. Now, to remove your background, you just come and click on, you see effects here at the lower part, at the down part here. I am circling it right now. Effects, it's effects here. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it will bring a drop down bar for you, and then you see BG remover. That's background remover. So just click on it, and it will remove the background of the image, any background of the image. Can you see that? Okay, just work with it. There are so many things that you can do here. You can blur the image, you can use several tones. Okay, just work with it. If you want to add filters to your image, can you see, you can change the way all the images are looking. A whole lot of features, but I don't want the filter. I love the way the image was. Yes, I love the image that way. Okay, let's just redo once. Okay, I think I will have to remove the background again. So you can just remove the background. I believe you can all see that. Okay, you can say maybe add your name. Let's edit this. Add your name. Okay, I can tie your okay, and I want to put myself as the chief instructor. So let's just duplicate this, click on the plus sign there, and then type again. All right, chief instructor. Okay, I want to make this bold. Let's just come to the lower part here and click B. You see that B sign there? You make it bold. Okay, you make it bold. All right, I also want it to be in capital letter, so you click on the caps there. Now you can increase the size if you want, but I don't want to do that, so let's just leave it at this, because by the time you are previewing it with your phone, they usually become bigger. Okay, they usually become bigger. If you have a logo, you can also add your logo. Now there's one other thing I want to say. You can input 3D images on your design. Okay, I don't want a 3D image for this, that's why I didn't talk about it. But if you want to do that, just come to the plus sign here at the lower part. You go to elements. All right, just go to element and then use search element. Click on search element and search for 3D. Anything in 3D you can use. Maybe you want to search for 3D shapes, 3D letters. Let's say I need a 3D and. Okay, something that can show that they should click the buttons. Let's just click on it. Now it will bring so many images. Can you see so many things? Okay, if you want to see all, you can just click on see all here. it will show up all the images that you have. Can you see that? A whole lot. That is why it is better to be on Canva Pro. You can use all the features. None of them is restricted for you. Okay, none of them is restricted for you. You see, you can use everything. So let's just pick one. Let me pick this. Let's pick this. I don't want it to be here. I want it to be, let's copy. No, this is what we want to copy. Yes, this is what we want to copy. I want it to be here. Okay, so let's paste. Okay, so I want it to be somewhere around this place, just to give a sign that, okay, well, this is where you are supposed to click. Alright, now we can also merge. I want to merge these text together so that they will not be separate. Can you see? I want it to be together. So when you want to merge, you click on the items you want to merge, and you just come to the lower part here and click select multiple. Okay, let me do that again so that we can see. Once you click on the item, you scroll the lower part here, you click on this 3 dotted line below here, you click on more, and then you see select multiple. Once you click on it, now it's showing one. That one shows you have selected one image. Once you click the other one, that's 2, that is the text, and I want to include this hand, so just click on it. So you have selected 3 images, and then you click on group. Once you click on group, it groups them all together, and so you can move the 3 images as one. Can you see that? You can move the 3 images as one. You can move them together. So that is how to group your elements. Now finally, we want to link. We want to add. I don't need all these other pages. Okay, so let me just delete this. We want to add your Facebook link, or let's say your WhatsApp link, or any link that you want people to see, so that once they click on this part, for instance, we say visit page now. We talked about our Facebook page. Once they click on it, it can take them straight to the Facebook page. Let's delete this. Okay, so that it can take them straight to the Facebook page. So you should have your Facebook page, Facebook link ready. Okay, so I think I have my Facebook link copied somewhere. Let's just go and get it. I'm not really sure. Okay, this is my Facebook link to Vacuum Designs, not to my profile, to Vacuum Designs page. Alright, so let's just copy it, and then we'll go back to the Canva page. This is where we want to add our link. Okay, this is where we want to add our link. So you just click on it. Since you have already copied your page, you click on this 3 dotted line here close to it, and then you scroll downward. Alright, at the down here you can see copy, paste, select multiple, comment, and you can see link. Just click on the link. Once you click on the link, it tells you to enter a link or search. So you can just come here and paste the link that you just copied. Okay, paste the link that you just copied, and then you exit. Now can you see at the top part here, it says link added. So automatically, when this site is published, when anyone click on this visit page now, it takes them straight to your Facebook page, where they can see all your pictures and everything entirely. I also want us to link this about us. Yes, I also want us to link the page, Facebook page, to it, because they may click on that place to get information about your page. Okay, your business rather. So you just click on these 3 dotted lines, like we said earlier. you scroll to the link, and then you click the link, you paste your link. All right, and then that is it. And personally, I will also add links to back. I don't add link to home because the home is the current page where you are. I add link to back because once they click on that link, it will just take them back. Okay, so how do you do and what do you add? Once you click on back, okay, go to the three dotted lines. Sorry, click on back, go to the three dotted lines, and then you go to link. Now in this case, you do not add your Facebook link because they are going back. So what you just do is you can search. Once you click on it, you search for a link. Just click on it. It will bring down a drop bar, like you can see, commercial event website in page. Now just click on that. Sorry. Just click on this, the commercial event website. Immediately you click on this search box, it's going to bring the link for the template that we used. All right, it is the link for this template that we used. Okay, that is the link. All right, so just click on it and you have that there. Okay, and just like that it is added. Okay, so let's see how our website will look on the phone. To do that, you come to the upper part here, and you click this part that you see me circle where you see the eye sign. Yes, that is where you click on it, and then you can then preview. It's just to preview. You know what you see, how your website is going to look like on a phone. All right, and then you can in that way adjust anything that you need. Okay, all right, this is how it's going to look like in real time. This is how it's going to look like. Can you see that? This is how it's going to look like. So you can add as many pages as possible. I want us to adjust this home and back, and then let's just use nudge to move the let's just use nudge to move. It's going to be difficult to move as it is. Let's move it up a little bit. Okay, so let's see how it looks like right now. Still looking very, I don't know why it's looking like that. Let's just reduce this. Okay, you can zoom in and out as you can see me do. Zoom in and out. Okay, let's see what we have now. I still don't like what I'm having, but you get what I'm trying to say. You can actually adjust it to anyhow that you want it to be. Okay, and please take note that the way it's going to look like on your phone is what you are going to have here. All right, is what you are going to have here. So this is what it's going to look like by the time you are done. So let's assume that you are done. You want to publish your website. Okay, how do you publish this? Now once you are done, if you are going to do something in real time, this is just a tutorial. Okay, you have checked all through your work and you are satisfied with what you have done. Okay, you click on this sign that looks like an upload sign here at the right hand corner. Yes, that is what you click. You click on that sign. Once you click on that sign, it will bring up this page for you that says publish website. So you click on publish website, Once you click on publish website, it will bring up another page for you. Now, if you have your own domain, you can impute your domain. If you do not have your domain, Canva gives you a free domain that you can use. Alright, so let's leave this. You leave this resize on mobile, leave it ticked. Okay, you click on a free domain. If you have an existing domain, just click use my existing domain. Okay, you also leave without navigation, just leave it that way. So let's click on free domain and click continue. Alright, you click continue. Now it brings a review settings for you. Let's just click on it. You want something that will be particular to you, alright, so that when people click it, it carries your design or something. So let's just edit this. And what I designed is a page for Vicam designs. So let's just put Vicam designs, connect with us, or contact us as the case may be. Okay, you can edit this too to show what your your tab review will be. Okay, you can edit this as well to show what your tab review will be. So let's just put Vicam fashion website. Okay, so this says describe your website in less than 160 characters. So you just click you just type whatever that describes, that best fits your website that you just created. Alright, all you need to know about Vicam design. Okay, and then if you want your password to be protected, you don't want to make it a public password. Okay, maybe you don't want everyone to see it. You have to enable protection so that anyone that you want to give a link to your password, to your website, will need to have your password. Alright, if you want that, you have to click on enable password protection. Okay, maybe you want to use it as a course and you want people to pay for it. Okay, you have to click on that. And if you also want to hide your password, your website from search engines, you don't want people to be able to search your website on the internet, you click on hide my website. Okay, but if you want to use it for advertisement purpose, you have to unclick. Okay, you have to unclick. Alright, and so you just click on publish. I don't want to publish this website, but for the sake of this class, so that you are going to see how it looks, let's just click on publish. I already made a website for myself, so let's just click on publish, and so it will publish for you. It will publish it for you. So let's just wait. See, once it does, please you copy the link to your website on this part that I'm circling here. Copy the link, very important, so that you have a link to your website. So once you click on copy, it has been copied that way, so you can then view your website. Okay, you can view your website. Can you see it's running already? Can you see that? This is what your website looks like. Now if you want to create yours, please endeavor to create something more beautiful. For instance, now this home and back, they are of different fonts, and that should not be so, and they should be somewhere up above. But I don't need this. This is just for the tutorial. Okay, can you see that? Can you see our website is even looking very beautiful? Okay, chief instructor is supposed to go to the right hand side. Can you see that? Yeah, around this place. Okay, this is supposed to be on the right, but I believe you get what I'm saying. You understand the point. So let's click on visit page now and see if it will take us to our Facebook page that we linked to it. So let's click on it. visit page down. So anyone that clicks on that link, can you see that? Can you see it will take them directly to the Facebook page, or I think it's my WhatsApp link I added. And let's just wait for it to load. Oh, it was my WhatsApp link I added. Sorry guys, it was my WhatsApp link I added. Okay, it was my WhatsApp link I added, not my Facebook link. So if you want them to connect with you on your WhatsApp as well, just add your WhatsApp link. It's the same method. All right, just add your WhatsApp link. Please don't make this mistake. Just add your WhatsApp link. Okay. Now, if you want to edit your design, let's say after you have published, you made a mistake, like the mistake I just made now, putting my WhatsApp link instead of my Facebook link. You can just go back. Okay, you recreate it again, or you adjust any errors that comes with it. Okay, so thank you very much. I believe you have learned something. I want you to try your hands. Can you see? Just edit. If you want to edit, you just come to edit design here. You edit it, and then it will edit everything that you want. You edit it yourself. Alright, so we have come to the end of this class. I just want us to try your hands on a lot of things, and try your hands on it. The more you do so, you will get better doing it. Alright, thank you very much. Thank you all. Bye.